Gikundi kia arutwo a university rungu rwa kiama kiao gia KUSA kaunti ya Kitui ni manyitanite na guteithiriria aria makoragwo na mawathe na irio hamwe na tukari twa kumahuthiria mithiire. Arutwo aya maugite ati meguthie na mbere na mubango uyu wa guteithia aria mari na mawathe iri ta njira ya kumacenjeria miturire nigetha mahote kwirutira mawira mao. Hinda-ini o riu ni moritie atongoria manyitanire nao niguo makinyire andu aingi ona makiria. Muikariri giti wao Chris Muli ni ahoete arutwo meyumagirie riria magia na mibango teno.
Private sector. Tunasema asante sana kwa wale wametusupport na wale ambao watatusupport next time. Pia tutakuja kwenu to support.
You have called us today, all of us, to be your partners as youth leaders. Tuhakikishe tumewasaidia wapate assisted devices, we create some awareness. Most importantly, tuhakikishe kwamba tusifocus sana na disability, to focus na ability, to focus na talanta, to focus na opportunities. Hawa watu wenzetu ile kitu wanapenda sana ni miradi kama hizi tumeleta leo. These assisted devices.